Our company is not specialized in major Autobahn or national trunk road projects. We are more of a niche player and carry out special projects like here, for example, on the construction site at Falkenstein Castle in Fronten. It's not one of those jobs that everyone would take on. It's anything but a run-of-the-mill asphalting project.
All delivery services, staff, guests, and we ourselves have to drive up this narrow track to the castle. It's our lifeline, and we have to keep it in good condition. If we don't keep this lifeline open to traffic, it would be no surprise if no new guests, or even no guests at all, came up. So keeping the road in good condition is the most important thing.
The construction site here has a lot of challenging aspects. We have many amazingly steep parts and some extremely tight bends too. All of these are logistical challenges when it comes to transporting the asphalt and using heavy trucks. Because we have 2 hairpin bends, it's only possible to do it with 3-axle trucks. 4-axle trucks can't get around them at all, and they have to drive up more than 1 kilometer in reverse. That's a big challenge for the truck drivers and for the paving crew as well. The asphalt paver has a really tough job here. We have to negotiate extremely tight bends with very steep gradients. But it's no problem at all with this new Dash 5 paver. I must say, it's really very, very good. And it stays on track perfectly too.
What I really like about the VÖGELE paver is that you have a clear view of everything from the platform, even though it's an enormous machine. This means there's no risk of bumping into things or running over anyone on the site. The new machine is a touch more elegant and has a bit more technology on board, whether we're talking about the lights or the additional functions. It's more advanced.
We can achieve consistently good paving results. The condition of the road here is bad. We are having to work on an existing road that is very, very old and has asphalt slippage on the steeper parts. We are paving thicker on some parts and thinner on others. That's where the pressure bar on this paver also comes in useful. It gives us ideal pre-compaction and makes the roller operator's work a bit easier too. The roller operator is working here with an HD10 and an HD13 from Hamm. The job is pretty challenging for him too. Just imagine in some of the steep ends, we have gradients of more than 30%. That's where you need a roller operator who really knows how to handle his machine.
Fingerspitzengefühl.